Yam is one food we enjoy eating, and there are different ways and methods we can prepare the yam meal. I will show you how to prepare porridge yam, which is one method. In my subsequent videos, I'll be showing you other methods. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video at the end. Welcome to Dioma Kitchen, where delicious creations begin. We'll start by pouring the red oil in a clean dry pot. Add the chopped onion. Allow it to fry for a while, just to release its flavor. Then you add the tomato and pepper paste. You can still add more pepper if you wish. Allow to fry for a while. Then we'll add hot water. Don't put the water too much because remember we are cooking porridge yam, and porridge yam don't need too much water. I used dry fish. You can use any protein of your choice, smoked fish, beef, anyone you wish to use. Add salt and seasoning to taste. Then crayfish is optional. But I like crayfish in my meal. It's a thing of preference. So we'll now add neatly washed cubed yams. You can see how I cut the yam into small cubes so it can cook fast. You make sure that all the yam is at least having little contact with the water, and if you notice, the water is not above the yam. So because when water is too much in your porridge yam, it's not good. After the yam is cooked, we'll now add the vegetable. I used ugu leaves. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You mix. After steaming for about 3 minutes or thereabouts, you mix it very well so that it can come together and thicken. It will now give you that porridge feel that you want or desire. So voila, our meal is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.